Let's focus on configuring delegation settings to ensure seamless task reassignments and maintain continuity within the system. You can set up delegates in the Identity Cloud when you are out of the office or unavailable. To manage delegation settings, navigate to the left-hand menu. Scroll down until you find the Manage Delegates section highlighted here. Under Manage Delegates, you have two options: Create Delegate and Manage Delegate. Create Delegate allows you to assign another user to act on your behalf for approvals and tasks during your absence. This ensures critical processes continue smoothly without any bottlenecks. Manage Delegate lets you view, edit, or remove existing delegate assignments. Using this feature, you can easily update delegation settings based on changes to your schedule or responsibilities. Managing delegates proactively helps maintain continuity in approvals, access requests, and certifications. Always review and update your delegate settings as needed to ensure proper coverage. To create a delegate, navigate to the Create Delegate page. Start by entering a delegate name. In this example, the delegate name is Annual Vacation 2025. Next, add a brief description to explain the reason for the delegation. Here, the description mentions setting up delegates for an annual vacation. Then, specify the parent user. This is the original user who is assigning the delegate. Select the delegate user, who will act on behalf of the parent user during the delegation period. Make sure to accurately set the start date and end date for the delegation. This ensures the delegate can only act within the defined time frame. Once all details are filled out, click Create to finalize the delegation setup. This process helps maintain seamless operations while the primary user is away.